The Pros Kit Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit comes with a nice assortment of bits to get you started. This tool takes standard size rotary bits so you can easily replace worn out bits and expand your collection as you become more experienced using the rotary tool. The flexible shaft is quick and easy to install. It allows you to do fine detail work and is lighter weight than the main unit, so you can work longer without your arm getting tired. Use the buffing pads along with a polishing compound to clean metal surfaces and remove light scratches. When installing the cutting wheels, use the flat blade end of the wrench to loosen and tighten the cap of the bit. After putting the bit in your rotary tool, use the included key to lock the collet in place and tighten down with the wrench. The rotary tool also acts as a power drill and includes 2 drill bits. Slide the sanding bands over the drum bit and be sure to tighten down with the flat blade. If not tightened down properly, the sanding bands will slide off the drum. The diamond-coated carving bits lets you make designs on many surfaces, such as wood, metals, glass, and ceramics. I'll admit, I have a newfound respect for people who do glass engraving. Circles are definitely tough. The kit comes included with a nice selection of grinding stones. There is also a reshaping block that will let you get even more life out of your stones. Use these to grind down metal burrs or even sharpen blades. They can even be used on other materials too. Here I'm adding an extra port to a 3D printed case.